Are you tired of the same old boring workouts? Want to try something new and exciting that can also help you shed those extra pounds? Well, we have just the thing for you. Introducing the Alpine Ice Hack for weight loss. Hiking in the Alpine can be a fantastic way to burn calories, but with the Alpine Ice Hack, you can take it to the next level. Using specially designed ice axes, you can climb up frozen waterfalls and ice walls, engaging your entire body and burning calories like never before. And the best part? It's fun. You get to challenge yourself, enjoy breathtaking views, and have a blast with your friends. So what are you waiting for? Grab some ice axes and hit the Alpine for an unforgettable weight loss experience. The Alpine Ice Hack for weight loss, only on YouTube. But before you go out and try this for yourself, there are some important safety precautions you need to keep in mind. First and foremost, make sure you have the proper gear. Take a class or hire a guide to teach you the basics before attempting this on your own. And finally, always go with a friend or group. This sport is not recommended to do alone. Having a partner to belay you while you climb, or to help in case of an emergency, can make all the difference. So there you have it, the Alpine Ice Hack for weight loss. Get ready to challenge yourself and have some fun while burning calories. Stay safe and enjoy the adventure. End screen with a call to action.